another video. Today's video I'll be showing you how to get rid of stuff in the activity bar which shows stuff like your IP address, stuff like that. Currently, I use one SCP, which I will have a link in the description. I would say first you have to put all your info. First put all your info, then right here put your IP, and if you've put root in the past, I always hit save, but that's not recommended by them. And you log in, go to /var/www/Pterodactyl. Okay, first when you're in here, you wanna go to app, transformers, API. I think it's applet now. It's client activity log transformer.php. Once you're in here, find where it says IP, delete it, reload the page, now go back to activity, and boom, it's gone. That is simply how you move the activity log of your IP in Pterodactyl. Very simple, step by step. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys